Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, a graduate student of the mentoring program, and today is Monday, January 10th, 2011. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the S&P just to get an idea of how the broad markets look today. You can see here that we had a lower high, slightly higher low, a bit of indecision here. We had a nice bullish candle or bearish candle at some point during the day, and only to close much higher than where we originally were. We've got a little bearish, possibly hammer candle here, so keep your eye on the broad markets. They gear our trades of what we decide to end up doing here. Now we're taking a look at FOSL daily chart. FOSL, this is our new bullish stock of the week. Okay, so you can see here, looking at the daily chart, that we've been in an uptrend, and then we had this little mini-me downtrend. What we refer to this is a bull flag, which means we've been very bullish, we've been going up, and we have a little downtrend here. Now, possible entry on this would be if we get a breakout above this flag. If we get a breakout breaking above this flag, that would be a possible entry area. Now, you're going to want to keep this on your watch list. As you can tell, we're not there yet. Okay, if we take a look at the 60-minute, let me bring that over here for you. Okay, there's the 60-minute, and you can see, if I remove this line, you might be able to see it a little bit better. We have a triangle, and I'm trying to get my tools here to draw. If we do a trend line from here to here, and I'll grab another one down here in this area, let me slide that up a little bit. You can see we do have a triangle. Now, these can go up or down, so it's important to wait and watch this. If we see if we see the 60 starting to break out of this and then close above this tomorrow, that could bode well here for our daily chart. So again, keep this guy on your watch list. A good possible long, especially if the broad markets end up going bullish as well. Now, our bear stock of this week, we're going to continue to track PEG. Okay, we're going to take a look at a daily chart here, and this is actually, boy, it's pretty much the opposite of what we looked at with FOSL. Here we had a downtrend, okay, and a slight change in trend here, and you can see it slightly going up. So here we have a bear flag. The reason why this one's a bear flag is because it came off of a flagpole that was going down. If you remember, FOSL came off of a flagpole that was going up. So here's a possible bear flag formation, and we would look to short this guy. The reason why we want to short it is because it's got very weak fundamentals, and a possible entry here. Now, the way you can see that I had this drawn, I was actually looking at this last week, and when I saw this, it looked like this. We were in the bear flag, and we actually broke down underneath it and closed below it. So that was an entry, a possible entry signal to short this. As you can see, however, though, this next day we did make a lower low, but then we came screaming back for a higher high. Now, if you had your stop real tight on this, you probably got stopped out. If you left more room for your stop, you might still be in it. Here's where we look today. Again, not looking the best shorting candidate right now. If you're already in this, make sure that your stops are in place. Many or some of you may have already stopped out. Now, that doesn't mean that this trade is no longer good. We're still technically, I could move this bottom line down a little bit here. Maybe we didn't break out of that bull flag. Maybe we're just bouncing off the bottom. Another possible entry would be to look for a lower swing high form here. Where would we look for that to help us? Well, the 60. Taking a look at the 60-minute here, and if we start to see a lower swing high, which could be a possibility here. Now you can see we had this downtrend and we had this higher high form. I'm looking for this to break down, start going up again, and then make a lower swing high. If that happens, along with the broad market confirmation of a breakdown, this could be a good possible shorting candidate. You can see we're going to have some possible resistance here, so that could be a target area. And then below that, we don't have any resistance down here until the 2950 area. Okay, so there's the other previous support that could act as support in the future. So if we do get a breakdown in the markets, this guy could be a good potential shorting candidate, so keep him on your radar. I hope you all had a wonderful day trading. We'll be talking to you again soon. Take care, everybody.